Well, we had just removed the chassis and installed our LED driver on it. So now it's going to be a little bit hard part here. You know the screens here, the touch screen. The only way we don't want to remove this touch screen, because when you remove it, there's so many problems. You have to stick it too much time. And technically, you can just slice your utility knife and cut it, but that's probably too much time. What we're going to do is that we're going to just remove this whole thing. When I say whole thing, it's kind of usually I call metal frame that holds the screen. So first thing first, we're gonna remove this cover. Okay. That covers the interface module. Okay. Then you see there's all these clips we have to remove. Just be really careful. Oh, you remove it. It will kind of look like this. All the wires. Here we go. You can come around, right? So this side do the same too. Okay. Here we go. Just be careful, because you know the liquid glass was underneath that. Don't break it. So try to get your hand behind. There we go. We took it out. See, the metal cover is still here, which is supposed to be part of the screen assemblies. So we're going to set aside this touch screen and take a look at the screen, and we're going to remove it. I just use a piece of cardboard to transport this glass, just in case. See, there's any screw holding it? No. Just the clip. Alright. So the glass will stick to it. I have to try to use a, because between the liquid glass and frame, they usually using a little bit like silicone stuff like that to stick to it when they. So what I usually do is I use a piece of plastic. Do not use credit card. Credit card is too hot. Sometimes you might. Well, it looks like it's not easy, but the easiest way, I think, we start with this end. It bend a little bit. You see this? It will tilt up a little bit. Let me see. You see this? Okay, now. See, I get into it. Just try to use this thing to open the grooves, to slice grooves. I can show you later. But be careful, don't apply too many forces. Kind of push down the plastic a little bit. Okay. I don't want to break it. Alright. Okay. See what this. This. Okay, you just have to go through. Oh, here we go. Alright, so let's set aside, face down. Now I take it out, I show you the glue. Set aside the screen. Okay. Really careful. This is what I meant. You see some of the grooves. You see this? That's how they stick the glass to it. So, but anyway, we took it out. Perfect. Now, two screws that holding a reflector. We had to remove the screw. Okay. Remove the screw here. And then we had to remove this, take out the plastic film. Okay. So this plastic film is all has a, I mean, you can wear the glove, but just be careful you don't wear it, don't touch this. You don't want to leave fingerprints. See, just like this. Okay. One click at a time. Just no rush, just be careful. Yeah. Okay. One side done. The other side. Oh, I had to remove the wire first. This wire. Okay, so this clip. Okay, take it out. Take it out. Then loosen up the wires. Because the plastic film also holding the wires. Now, let's start here. Alright, so just like this. Okay, push it this end. Okay, almost there. Let me see this side. Have to be patient enough to take care of this. Okay. Sorry, the screen's so big, some may not be able to see. Okay. Now just this side. Okay. You took it out, right? So now I want you to see this. Just get a whole stack of film. Just use a piece of cloth. Usually I will set it upside down on the screen, on the liquid glass itself, because there's some marking, so you don't need to worry about it. So now we need to take care of the backlight. Remember, the backlight was coming out from this side, the wire, right? Just remember, come out from this side. Okay. So we're gonna take it out, the whole reflector, yeah. Right. So wires this side, okay? I just let it off. Use another piece of paper. Let me take this plexiglass out too. Just set aside. It's easy. Easy to. All right.